Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family of Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2021 Volkswagen Atlas SE with the 3.6 liter V6. This vehicle has 276 horsepower with 266 pound-feet of torque, and it has an 8-speed automatic transmission. You can also get the Atlas SE with the 4-cylinder, so this is the upgraded engine. The regular one is a 4-cylinder, this one's a 6-cylinder. And so this one has like this nice brown interior, looks pretty good. You can also, this is like the more basic model. The SEL is a higher trim. And then here's the screen right here. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is wired, as you can see. You have to plug it in down there to connect your phone. Here's your reverse camera. You have the dynamic guidelines, which will follow you as you move the car. This one does not have a sunroof. The SEL will have a sunroof, however. Let's go walk around this Atlas. It's a nice white exterior. It's a pretty good looking 3-row SUV. Nice captain's chairs with a lot of room. And you have the rear sunshades as well. And here's the trunk with the 3rd row up. Let's get this Atlas out on the road and see how it drives. You do have heated seats as well, which I'm using right now with this cold weather. Engine sounds pretty good. Acceleration's alright. For a 3-row SUV, you know, family SUV, you can't really expect more than that. But I think the V6 is definitely the engine to get. I don't think a 4-cylinder is a good engine for a car like this. A big 3-row SUV with a 4-cylinder is just not it. So the V6 definitely helps a lot in terms of power, delivery, engine sounds better. This is foot down on the pedal all the way to the floor. So yeah, I mean, it definitely has, you know, enough power to get you from, you know, get you through traffic and whatnot, but it definitely could use a little bit more power. Just considering the size of the vehicle. But the Atlas is a pretty popular family SUV. You know, a lot of people like to have the European SUV. But yeah, it's pretty comfortable. The seats are nice. I really like this brown interior. This white with the white exterior, brown interior is a good combo. It's very popular color combination with many, you know, in all car brands, to be honest. You can't really go wrong with white on brown, unless if it's cloth, then it won't look good. But leather seats with brown leather seats look really nice, as long as it's the right shade of brown too. You know, like a dark chocolate brown. It's nice. I believe this interior color is called Marrow brown or something like that. But yeah, blind spots are good, visibility is good. You also have blind spot alert in the mirrors, as you can see that. But yeah, other than it needing a little more power, in my opinion, it drives pretty nice. It's smooth, it's comfortable, visibility is good, and I really like the captain's chairs in the center, and they have great leg room. But yeah, there is a little bit of lag, as you can see there, like with the transmission. And the steering is a little bit light. Heater system works well though. Heated seats feel pretty good too. I think in the SEL you might get a heated steering wheel, not sure though. And I'm not too familiar with the Atlas. I don't know if there's like another higher trim above the SEL. If there is, and if you know anything more about the Atlas, please leave some comments below. If you have any information to share about the Atlas, I'd like to hear your thoughts on it. And then you can also scroll through your menus, see the compass, the CarPlay audio, vehicle status, driving data, assist systems, all that good stuff. See the vehicle status as well. But let's pull into the lot and go over the vehicle one more, go over the final thoughts of the vehicle. So yeah, overall it's a pretty nice three-row SUV. It looks good, especially this white with brown interior. As I said, definitely go for the V6, as even the V6 needs, in my opinion, needs a little bit of more power, and so you should definitely get that over the 4-cylinder. If there's a V6 option, I'm always going to get the V6 for a 3-row SUV. I'm not going to get a 4-cylinder in a 3-row SUV. That's crazy to me. And here are your driving modes. You have snow. It looks like we were in sport mode the whole time. You also have an off-road mode and an off-road custom mode. I like the graphics there. But yeah, it's a pretty nice family SUV overall. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. And be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice pre-owned vehicles like this Atlas.